How, as a therapist, do you feel that from your experience you can help us? क्या आपको किस तरह के cases आजकल सबसे ज़्यादा नज़र आते हैं?
So Rija, the growing number
Yeah.
of clients coming in is the youth,
Youth.
the younger clients,
Acha.
18 to 22,
But that's
18
also
to
because they're more
23.
conscious, no?
They are more conscious. There is also growing trend of anxiety
Acha.
and
Yeah.
body image,
Oh
again
God.
being driven by social media, because the environment has become very comparative.
बिल्कुल.
So whatever they are consuming in media, they are internalizing it.
बिल्कुल.
Also, self-harm has really gone up.
बिल्कुल.
इसमें भी मीडिया का एक छोटा सा रोल है, because a lot of content is sadly normalizing self-harm. It's becoming a bit of a trend,
Yeah.
and although there are deep shades of empathy and support needed, the stigmatization and the shunning of it is adding to the problem.
बिल्कुल.
जब तक ये चीज़ बाहर निकल के नहीं आएगी कि ये हो रहा है हमारे यंगस्टर्स में, ये दे आर सफरिंग, तो और वही चीज़ फर्दर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स एंड मूड डिसऑर्डर्स में आती है थ्रू डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर्स. तो दीज आर लाइक दी clinically diagnosed, but इनकी seeds जो हैं ये younger age groups में हमें नज़र आने लगती हैं. What we can do is consistently destigmatize therapy and counseling. A lot of good schools have brought in school counselors, तो उनके forum पे हैं कि वो बच्चों से बात करें, youngsters के बात करें. A lot of schools, my daughters go to Huck Academy, they do these coffee sessions with parents. So उस तरीके से वो education and awareness दे रहे हैं to the parents to create that change at home.
How lovely is that? And do you think इस चीज़ों से फ़र्क पड़ रहा है? And it's alarming. Actually, it's very good to see this as well, and it's alarming as well जो आपने information अभी share की है कि youth बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है. अगर youth आ रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है actually, because वो conscious हो रहे हैं. बट एक दुख की भी बात है, because इसका मतलब ये है कि उनको ज़रूरत फील हो रही है. मतलब उनके हालात clearly इतने conducive नहीं हैं to their emotional and
Yes,
physical
and
well-being.
हमारी parenting कहाँ gaps हैं कि वो impact हो रहे हैं.
You know, मैंने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ अभी recently शहरज़ाद, obviously because I do counselling in a different way as well and life coaching in a different way as well. मैंने notice किया है कि when we are reparenting our parents as well, पहले हमारे parents were not open to it. अब कम से कम parents सुन लेते हैं. तो आपको लगता है कि फिर यही youth जब आपसे counseling कर रही है तो घर जाके अपने पेरेंट्स को भी समझा पाती है?
बिल्कुल. हम एक क्लाइंट की थेरेपी के थ्रू बहुत सारी जिंदगियां टच कर रहे
होते हैं. बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज अगर हम एक शख्स में वो अवेयरनेस और चेंज ला सकते हैं, सो इट विल ब्लीड इनटू ऑल देयर रिलेशनशिप्स.
Give us a nice, Shahrzad, before we end the segment, give us a nice, hopeful success story. I mean, I'm here for it.
Hopeful success story.
Yeah, कि how it's changed. जैसा हमने अभी डिस्कस किया, यूथ रीपेरेंट कर रही है पेरेंट्स को, वो पेरेंट्स फिर बेटर डीलिंग कर रहे हैं. जब वो बेहतर डीलिंग कर रहे हैं, वो अपने आप, like there's so many times I open my mouth and my mother comes out. Do you know what I mean when I say that? कि काफ़ी दफ़ा मैं बोलती हूँ कि मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं करनी, मामा ये करती थी, और फिर मैं रियलाइज़ ही नहीं करती कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली मैं वैसी कोई चीज़ कर लेती हूँ. then I'll catch myself with my son and I'll be like, no, I'm not going to do that. So it's a big change, right? 3 lives affect हुई, मेरी 3 generations हमारी affect हुई. So do you see that?
I see that. I experience that every other day in my clinic, and there are actually many hope stories. I would like to use that word
Yes, please
instead
do.
of success.
Yeah.
One that's really coming up to me right now is one of my clients is a very brave 47-year-old cancer survivor. And when उन्होंने जब therapy शुरू की मेरे साथ पिछले साल, तो there was a lot of frustration in her, a lot of anger कि क्यों मेरे साथ ये हुआ, and मेरी body के साथ, because she is fit, healthy, educated, and उसमें से जो एक बड़ी interesting चीज़ निकल के आई कि उनकी अपनी childhood में emotion suppression बहुत ज़्यादा थी कि ये negative emotion होता है, गुस्सा नहीं दिखाना, इस तरह नहीं करना है, don't challenge, don't question. And we've been on a path कि how, specifically in our culture and specifically with women, the shaming of certain emotions shows up in the body.
Repressed emotions.
Through autoimmune, through growths, through tumors. And in the process of her therapy, We have started visiting and throwing light on her parenting techniques with her children. So it's almost generational therapy happening.
Wow.
And it fills me with so much hope.
joy, right?
hope.
I love that. Thank you for sharing that, and thank you for giving such a wholesome perspective कि एक बंदे की ज़िंदगी अगर थेरेपी से चेंज होती है तो आपके इर्द गिर्द कितने लोगों की ज़िंदगी बेहतर होती है just because you are taking the help you need. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Rija, for having me. It was a pleasure.